because Dreamland's not a starter, but it's a counter pick, so I hope for game 2 they don't
Let's
do
go.
Dreamland.
Oh, okay.
One, go!
I do not know much about this matchup, but do you know which one we're supposed to watch?
We're supposed to watch this one.
Okay.
Because there was a bit of delay on this one.
So, the favorite player here is Keith. He's really high on the PR, but all of his interviewing was really positive. It's interesting to see Keith use Ice Wall just to do a lot.
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Alright, so I'm going to let you do the play-by-plays because you probably know a lot more about
It's
the
a down
game.
air. It's a fireball. It's
Yeah.
a fireball.
Oh, there's that green thing going on. I don't know what that is. So Ice Form is... Wow, that was a nice double missile combo right there. Let's see if you can recover. Oh, just...
Do you know what the stream name is?
Stream name? No idea. No idea. Alright, so Ice Form is generally better against more floaty characters, is that correct?
I mean, ooh, this fire! was that stored? I don't know. Yeah. Samus players tend to use it during, against floaty characters like Jinx and Luigi, but I don't think the general, like, it's a bit more in-depth than just, oh, floaty, I'll use Ice Form.
Yeah. It would obviously be, you know, what you're more comfortable with.
Yeah, he tends to use Fireball. I mean, that might be the fact that every player here, like, there's a ton of players.
Yeah.
So, I don't know. I'm surprised he didn't.
Wow. There we
And
go.
that's why you have a guarantee, because you actually have like a consistent kill move up there and there. Forward air also becomes a kill move. I'm surprised these characters are comboing each other as well as they are.
Yeah.
It's really tough to combo, and they both have medium combo games.
Well, yeah, I mean, they can both cover a lot of distance on the stage very fast just by narrative.
Samus not
Fighting.
Samus not so much unless she's super wave dashes.
Well,
But Luigi certainly can.
Yeah.
Yeah, ledge dash half the battlefield.
Yeah, it's a little bit.
I bet that was the fault to the dash attack. It's been great to see. Yeah.
Oh.
Grabbing the ledge is really good against Luigi. It's really hard to recover after side B doesn't get ledge from it.
Because the down B is the one that spirals, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So can he use that as an alternative to also gain more altitude and go up?
Yeah, but once what you do in that situation is when he does the down B, you just drop from ledge and hit him. It's like obviously in a place where you're not gonna get hit, but it's pretty consistent. Like I play characters really bad edge guarding and it's easy.
Yeah.
So right now Keith is just trying to close out the last dog. Still has edge guard. This should be it. That was
Alright.
alright.
Marth.
Okay, so one for Jadeyes.
Did you save it?
I did. It's up there.
Okay. Oh wait, is the question mark supposed to be like what character they're playing, but we don't have the icons yet?
I would suppose so.
What?
Three,
I would guess so.
No, the score's on there.
one, go!
Yeah. Switching to Marth.
Yeah,
Maybe hopefully trying to be more aggressive with
I like-
distancing.
yeah, he's a dual main. Get the tech chase.
Yeah.
That's good. If Marth can get Samus in the air, she has a lot of chances. Glitch. That's the general for fighting Samus. Get her in the air. And Marth's really good at that.
Because, I mean, the only real defensive and safe option would be air. That would be if you were above them, wouldn't it?
In that situation, Samus is trying to trick you with down B. She just wants to get down. She tries to
Oh!
Paradox takes the first stock. I didn't know. Good on him. But another thing is this is really, really poor counter. This is Samus' best stage.
Yeah.
So another thing is
That's
Jadeyes has a ton of farm experience. Winner's final to like everything the past years, but himself versus Dragons.
There we go.
Plays hard.
Just almost wave dash himself off the stage there.
Oh my god! Oh no, he didn't close it out. But that would have been a sick edge guard.
Yeah, it would have.
Okay, apparently our stream link is not showing up on Oh wait, I get
That might do it.
Hitbox.tv/Alaska project.
You didn't get the word out before the tournament?
We did, but I have all my friends on it.
Ah, I see.
And apparently I'm not showing the sidebar.
Oh. There seems to be a lot of inner game going on with Marth.
Yeah, that's the thing. Side B to hit is insane. Unless if you only do the first hit. Yeah. That was a 6.
Yeah, it was. Right there. That was like the back of the knee, too.
I'd love to see how it works in real life.
Oh, yeah.
Have you seen this?
I have not seen this, but
Yeah, look at that. Yeah, Samus can
pretty sweet.
Samus can do it. It's called the Oxy climb.
Alright.
Or I've also heard it called the Omni climb. You just can on multiple stages and down, you can climb forever. So
killing her going down is hard. Yeah. Oh, we're playing just next? Okay.
Alright. You guys want to be on the stream?
Alright. Okay, so just wait for them to finish their matchup.
Alright.
It's 0-1.
Hey, don't assume things.
It's 0-1 right now.
Yeah, okay, it's the last game.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it.
Alright.
So now we're gonna have no up
Samus.
versus